Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss pulse repetition frequency of the radar. So this pulse repetition frequency of the radar is determined by maximum unambiguous range. Then what is maximum unambiguous range? The range behind which the targets are not expected. Okay, this is the what? Maximum unambiguous range. The range beyond which the targets are not expected. So this is the radar here, so which is having the range till this much. Okay, and beyond this range we are not going to expect the echoes. We are not going to expect the echoes from these targets, target B and target C. There are three targets, target A, B and C. So the radar which is having the maximum range till target A, and we should get the echo from this range only. Okay, this is what correct. But if we get the echo from the target B and C, those are what erroneous, and those are not expected by this radar. That is what the maximum unambiguous range. So beyond this range the targets are not expected from this radar. There is nothing but what maximum unambiguous range. Then pulse repetition frequency corresponds to a maximum unambiguous range. Okay, where we have the maximum unambiguous range up to this one. So the pulse repetition frequency which is equal to 2 into R even divided by C, where R even is a maximum unambiguous range and C is the velocity of the propagation. Okay, and here we have a waveform and there are some pulses: first pulse, second pulse, third pulse and fourth pulse. These pulses are transmitted by the radar, and radar it also getting the echoes from the target A, B and C. So we are getting the echo from the target A before transmission of second pulse, but whereas we are getting the echo from target B after transmission of second pulse. This is first and second. We are getting the echo from this target B after transmission of the second pulse, whereas we are getting the echo from target C after transmission of third pulse. First pulse, second pulse and third. Here is the echo from the target C. And we have one more term here, that is a second time around echoes. The echoes that arrive at a time later than the pulse repetition period are called as a second time around echoes. So this duration, the time interval between the first pulse and second pulse, is nothing but what? Pulse repetition period. Okay, so we should get the echoes before transmission of the second pulse, and we are getting it by the target A only. Okay, and if the echoes are arriving from the targets after transmission of second pulse, those are what erroneous. But if we superimposed these three echoes, echo A and B and C, in a scope display, here we have superimposed, okay, B, C, A echoes. So the ambiguous echoes B and C, ambiguous in the sense erroneous echoes, looks no different from the unambiguous range echo A, but only range of A is correct, but not, it cannot be determined by this one. In order to determine, we should keep on changing the pulse repetition frequency of the radar. So if we keep on changing the pulse repetition frequency of the radar, so we can determine the correct echo or expected echoes from the targets. Okay, so this is the what about the pulse repetition frequency. Thank you.